Learn to cook fried rice with prawns. These are the ingredients we're going to use today. Peel and devein 12 to 16 prawns. I am using wild Alaskan spotted prawns. These have a thicker shell and they have a texture like langoustines. Don't forget to devein the prawns. Chop one onion fine. Marinate your prawns with 1 teaspoon gochujang, 1 teaspoon garlic, and 1 teaspoon ginger. Mix well. Add oil to your wok. Then add the prawns. Fry until they're done, about 30 seconds aside. Make sure not to overcook the prawns. Remove and set aside. Add oil and sesame oil to the wok. Add your onions and cook till tender. While that's cooking, crack 2 eggs in a bowl and mix well. Chop a 1/4 cup green onion. You can also add carrots, but I'm not using them today. When the onions are soft, add 2 cloves crushed garlic. Also add 1 teaspoon ginger. Add 2 to 3 cups cooked rice. I'm using basmati. I find it very light and fluffy in texture. Now add 1 cup of peas. Add 3 tablespoons soy sauce and 1 teaspoon brown sugar. Also add in your egg. Fry it until the eggs are cooked. Now add your prawns and your green onion. This is an easy, hearty dish with a lot of flavor. I hope you enjoy. For more delicious recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you there.